Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to stop Google from saving your Gemini chats entirely on your desktop or browser. First, navigate to the bottom left corner of the interface and click on the Settings gear icon. From the menu, select Activity. This will open your Google My Activity page in a new tab. Look for the section labeled Keep Activity and click the button that says Turn it off. A pop-up will appear giving you two choices. You can just turn off the tracking for future chats, or you can select Turn Off and Delete Activity to wipe your existing history and stop future tracking in one go. Once disabled, your sidebar will be empty and new chats will not be saved. However, even with this setting off, Google still stores your conversations on its servers for up to 72 hours. This is a safety buffer that allows them to process the request and handle any feedback you send. And that's it. You've successfully taken control of your AI data privacy. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.